is your first time contesting in the
Yes.
elections. Can you tell us something about yourself first?
I'm just a woman like you.
What are your visions?
I want to bring change. What we are not having now, right now in our constituency, I want to bring change.
Well, Nagaland has never witnessed a woman representative in the Nagaland Legislative Assembly. Do you think it's high time that there should be a woman representative?
Yes, yes, yes.
What are your thoughts? Can you elaborate a little bit?
No, we need women in a decision-making that is there. So please vote for me and let's see.
Also, NDPP is focusing a lot on women empowerment and the youth. What is your take on that?
I say that right now they are doing a great job to our people, and I expect they'll do much more by giving me that ticket this time.
Are you ready to give a good fight to Mr. Nakro?
Yes, I will give my best.